Hello grade 4, welcome again in our online sessions. With you Mrs. Menna Raouf, your science teacher. I hope you are all fine and everything is okay with you. Today we will continue lesson 2, what are types of weather. I told you in the first lesson that the air contains water in the form of a gas. This is called water vapor. So the water in the form of a gas called water vapor. And this water vapor, when cooled and condensed, they form the clouds. So the clouds form from the cool and condense of the water vapor in the air. And the cloud is made of tiny water droplets and ice crystals so small that air current holds them together up. We have three main types of cloud: cumulus cloud, cirrus cloud, and stratus cloud. The first type, cumulus cloud. They are white, puffy, and common on clear and sunny days. They can develop into a massive thunderstorms. So they white, puffy, and they a sign of a clear and sunny days, but it can develop into a massive thunderstorms. Cirrus cloud is like thin white streaks and high in the air, and they usually sign cool and fair weather. And fair weather mean fine weather. So the cirrus cloud is thin and white streaks and found high in the air, and they usually a sign of a cool and fair weather. Stratus cloud are low and gray and making the day dark and gloomy, and this a sign of rain or snow. So the stratus cloud are low and gray and there are a sign of rain or snow.
There are lots of different kinds of clouds. This is a cumulus cloud. Cumulus clouds look like puffy white cotton balls high in the sky. If you see a cumulus cloud, you can be pretty sure it isn't going to rain. Sometimes you can see shapes in them. This is a cirrus cloud. You'll see them way up very high in the sky, where the air is very cold. They're made of tiny particles of ice instead of water drops, so they look wispy. When you see cirrus clouds, it usually means the weather is going to be clear and calm.
Ivan, are you making clouds again? You said you'd make one for me.
Sure, Izzy. Stratus means layer, and these clouds make a big layer across the sky, blocking out the sun and often bringing rain or snow.
This is fun!
That's not supposed to happen.
Ivan, what's going on?
Nothing to worry about. Just a minor machine malfunction. This is a cumulonimbus cloud. They're big black clouds with flat bottoms. They bring thunderstorms, lightning, tornadoes.
Tornadoes?
And did I mention cumulonimbus clouds sometimes bring hail, too? Ooh. Ah!
Uh-oh, what now? Whoa, I didn't know it could do that.
Neither did I.
The precipitation forms when water particles inside of a cloud grow too large and fall back to the earth. we have 4 common types of precipitation. They called rain, snow, sleet, and hail. Rain falls as a liquid water. Snow is a solid precipitation that falls as ice crystals or snowflakes. Sleet is made of small lumps of ice that form when rain falls through a freezing air. Sleet means frozen rain. Hail is made of layers of ice that form inside the thunderstorm clouds, and it can be smaller than a pea or larger than a grapefruit. And the hail is mean a small pelts of ice. So rain, snow, sleet, and hail is the 4 common types of precipitation. The rain gauge. The rain gauge is a tool that we use to measure the rain that falls. So the rain gauge is a tool measure the rainfall. The rain fills the gauge and the scale on the side show how much rain is full. So we'll get the reading from the gauge. Many factors affect the type of precipitation that fall in the place. Snow is common in the winter and at the pole of the earth, and also in the places with high elevations. When we have too much precipitation, it can cause the rivers to flow over, and the flood water can damage crops and homes. But also, when we have too little precipitation, is drought. And during the drought, the ground dries out and the plants and the animals can die. Now we have finished lesson 2. I hope you understood the lesson well, and don't forget your homework. Please check LMS and answer worksheet 2 and send it to me on our mail الواحة@americansciencehomework@gmail.com. See you in the next session. Bye bye.